Hi, in this video, we'll be learning how to set up a Figma. First, go ahead and navigate to Figma.com. Once you're there, you can either log in or create a new account using your Google account, or you can set it up using your email. After logging in, you can explore the site and open your page. Here, you'll have the opportunity to create your profile. Once your profile is set up, you'll notice various options like creating a team project. You can then complete the setup for your project with your team, and you will be able to view all your projects. Additionally, you can create more projects under the team option, as well as explore the community section. Now set up your workspace. You can check all your pages and open any page that you wish to work on. Figma dashboard. From there, you can start exploring by inserting various elements. You can add more pages if needed. You can also create a new file and start working by adding a frame or a section. Feel free to add colors to your design. You can customize it to your liking using the circuit interface. Be sure to check out the layer panel, properties toolbar, and various options in the toolbar like text. You can also explore the community. Explore all the design options available, and remember, you can collaborate and integrate with various tools. You can install useful plugins. You can even create a duplicate file if needed. You also have the option to export files, and you can even make prototypes, which allows you to examine your pages closely. Familiarize with Interface E, Layers Panel E, Toolbar. You can start working on your designs accordingly. You have the flexibility to design in Figma as per your choice, adding images and various elements. Integrate collaboration tools like Slack and Teams. Once your setup is complete, you're all set to start designing in Figma. And that's how to set up Figma. Happy learning!